Guys, Joffrey Ward here, and today we're going to be talking about the top money making apps that you can make money with starting today. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. All of these apps will be in the description below. You just click the link in the description below, and then it'll go directly to the app so you can download it. The first app, you know where I'm going, is Dash, and I haven't showed you guys in Dash before, but I'm going to show it to you now. This is a cashback app that allows you to basically link a card and go to these stores that are around your area and use it like you would normally use it. Use it to get gas, use it to get pizza. You can see Pizza Hut, Sam's Club, Chevron. They have most of the top companies that you shop at on a daily basis in this app. And basically you just come down here and you link the card. You link the card by going up to the settings tab and then go to accounts and cards. And you can not only link cards, but I think you can link accounts now with this app. So I've been using this app for a while, and I'll just show you how much I've earned with the app, just so you guys can see. Hold on, my settings thing's not coming up. Okay, here it is. And you go to the app, and you can see my biggest one that I've got the most cash back is from Papa John's, and I've only had this cashback app since really August. I had it I had it downloaded on my phone a couple of times this year, but I really haven't been using it as much as I should have. But you can just see around $4,171.56 by referring people and getting cash back. So what you want to do is you want to come in here, you want to link a card. Like I said, the download link will be in the description below. You come in here, you link the card, then you go out and use the card nearby, which are these right here, and there, or you can go online. And they basically have all of the stores, some of the store, or most of the stores that you shop at anyway. So if you go to order your pizza online, you can go up here, and sometimes you got to look up in here. Sometimes they have big deals, like right here they have a 5% cash back in Sam's Club, 3%, 2 times on some of these other big sites, even up to 8%, Pier 1. So you have to pay attention to number of people, the number of the number of cashback offers that they have on here. So this is how you use Dash. Like I said, you link a card, download the app, you link a card, you go out and use your card like you normally do. They pay out through PayPal or matter of fact, let me go back. I can't show that because it's actually showing my account. So they pay out through PayPal or either your bank account. So it's either one that you choose. They have multiple ways for you to get paid out. So basically, once you make over $25, you can withdraw. That's basically Dash. That's in a nutshell. It should be available in the United States, and it should be available in a couple of other countries. There is a way that you can mask your IP address on your phone to get the app, but you will still then have to link a card in order for you to start getting cash back and actually to get your $5 bonus. One more thing before I switch to another app. Once you download this app and you link a card, you want to get $5 from Dash if you go through my link. So that's a way for you guys to get started, and the only thing you have to do is to get $20 more in order to cash out from Dash to your PayPal account or your bank account. The next one is Front2. I've earned so much money with Front2. It's really ridiculous at this point. I barely use Front2 these days because they have switched up their redeeming whole platform. But this is one of the apps that I've made thousands of dollars with. You can see they used to have PayPal in here. Now they only have Amazon and some of these other ones. I don't know why they took PayPal out here. And then you can only do one cash out per day. And when I first started in here, you could do multiple cash outs per day, however many times you wanted to, as long as you had the points, until they ran out of actual money. They still do work, and it's still a good app. But if you're using it for PayPal, it's not gonna benefit you because they don't have PayPal in here anymore. So basically, I'm just using it for Amazon gift card, and then I can do a Visa prepaid gift card, virtual card, or Burger King, or some of these other places that you might shop at. You can do that. So just as far as how much I've earned with the app, you can just see, as I was just on here, I got another referral. So as you can see on here, you can just go down here, you can just see the multiple $10 payments, multiple, these are $10, it's transferring $10 to my account. So you can just see even $20. You can just see multiple times a day. So like I said, I've earned thousands of dollars with this app. They don't have PayPal anymore, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be using this app. But if you're just looking for some extra cash and Amazon cash, and you can still do Visa prepaid cards. So I mean, it's not like you can't use this money. You can actually get a Visa card. You can get they can send one to your house. So let me just go right here. As far as Visa prepaid, you have the option for you to do it virtually, or they can actually send the reward card to your house. It's up to you. So if you want to just spend it offline instead of online, you can actually order the card and do it that way. So that's front two. I'll leave a code to front two. Let me go back to front two real quick. Let me just show you this. I'll leave a code for front two where you can come in here and you can go down here to enter a referral code. My code is free money code in all caps. Once you enter that, you're going to get 1,250 points. And then you're going to be able to, do the live screen apps, do the offers. There's so many ways that you can earn points. You come over here, you can do offers. It's not loading up right now, but you can do offers, crashing points. They have some games in here. They have a list of more offers down here. You can, this still is a legit app. Still a legit app. It's not on the Google Play Store anymore. They took it off the Google Play Store, so I don't know how much that's factor into what you're doing, but it is what it is. Front two has still been good to me. They still pay me, so I still gotta show you guys this. So, and like I said, all of these apps, or I didn't say this in the beginning of the video, but all of these apps I've made money with. So the last one is Google Google Opinions. And if I can find it, I don't even hear it right here. It's basically this has a lot of ways you can earn money with it's opinion rewards. You come in here, you do some of the surveys in here. They don't have any surveys in here for me at this time. And then you get a play credit for you to go ahead and go on some of these go to the Play Store and spend it. My brother does this. He gets a lot of credits. He goes and he spends it on some of these some of this stuff on the Google Play Store, like apps and stuff, like buying apps or renting movies, whatever. But I don't have any. The bad thing about this is surveys are up and down. One day they'll have a survey, the next day they won't have it. So Google Opinion Rewards is pretty good. As far as a money making app, if you want to get Play Store credit. So those are 3 different apps you can use. The 4th and the 5th one are on my other phone, but I've earned money with them as well, and I'll leave those 2 in the description below. But those are the basic apps that that I've made the most money with, that I've made thousands of dollars with. Just shows you proof. I've showed you guys in my PayPal account before, so you actually know I get paid, and I'll actually show you in my bank account. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helps. These are the best money making apps that are currently making me money, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I'll leave those 2 extra ones in the description below. Peace out.